Today we are going to learn chapter 2, exercise 2.2, which will be solved today. Now, in the last class, as we solved the exercise 2.1 as a homework, now I have to go for the one. That is, find the sum. In this, we have to sum means addition. Sum means addition. We have to add the numbers which are given in the question. The first one is 1 and 2.2. The first one is 7,532 plus 1,246. 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Like this, we have to add the numbers. And second one, 3, that is 2.1. 3, 6,503, 6,503. Again, 1,254 plus 242. Here we added 2 lines. Now in the second question, we are adding 3 lines, 3 columns. That is 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Again 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Then 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, again it is 9. 6 plus 1 is 7. Like this, we can add whatever number will be given in the question. Now, we have to go for another type, that is second one. This one is first, and second one is arrange in columns and find the sum. Arrange in columns and find the sum. Here we have to make first of all we have to make the columns, then only we have to add them. In this we have to go for second one, that is 6,226 plus 1,341 plus 332. Now we have to add this one by writing the columns. First of all, we have to take this one, that is 6,226. Again this one 1,341. Then lastly this one, that is 330. Like this, we have to write them in the column. And now we are going to add the numbers. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3, again it is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. Like this, if they are given in the row in a single line, then we have, first of all we have to write it in the columns, and then we have to add the numbers. Now we are going to Exercise 2.2. Here again we have, that is, find the sum. First question. Here we have, that is 7,635 plus 4,365. 4,365. Here we have to add it. That 5 plus 5, it is 10. 10 means 0 comes here and 1 will be carried forward. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, again 10. Again we have to carry 1. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, it is again 10. Then we have to carry it 1. Then 7 plus 1, it is 8. 8 plus 4, it is 12. Like this we have to add by carrying the numbers for the remaining numbers. And second one is question E. $8,869 next 474 again 3,586 here we added 2 lines. Now we are adding 3 lines, that is 4 digit, 3 digit and again 4 digit. Now we have go for adding, that is 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 6, it is 19, 9, 1 carried, then 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, it is 14, 14 plus 8, it is 22, 2 carry, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 9 comes here, 1 carried. Then 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, it is 12. Like this we have to add the numbers, whatever it is in the 4 digit or in the 3 digits. Now second question is find the sum, as we are done in the 2.1. First we have to arrange them in the columns. And find the sum. First question is 1,358 plus 2,679 plus 1,235. Here all the numbers are in 4 digits. Then we have to write it easily. That is, first we have to take 1,358. Below that we have to write this one, that is 2,679, and again 1,235. Add it. By putting this plus symbol, it shows that we are doing this one as addition. 8 plus 9, it is 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 2. Here it is 2. That is carried. 5 plus 2, it is 7. 7 plus 4, 7, it is 14. 14 plus 3, 17. again 1, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1 it is 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12, again 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. Like this we have to first write it in the columns and then add the given numbers. And third one question is arrange in columns and add. In this question, the question is given, but there is no plus marking in between the numbers. The numbers are simply given, that is 4047, 2964 and 3782. Here there is no plus marking in between the numbers, but it is given as and means it shows plus. So without any doubt you are going to add these numbers. Now we are going to question number 3, that is arrange in columns and add. As the question shows, first we have to go and arrange these numbers into columns and then we have to add them. First we have to write them in the columns and then we have to add. Then if this and is confusing you that why it is given, then simply if you are going to know the question, अगर आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हो तो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि ऐड करना है और यहाँ पे एंड मतलब इस नंबर को और इस नंबर को तीनों नंबरों को हमें प्लस करना है. तो अब हम करेंगे 4047, then 2964 plus 3782. अब इन तीनों नंबरों को हमें ऐड करना है, टोटल करना है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड इट. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 2 it is 13, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 8 it is 19, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 7 17, 1 carry, then 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 it is 10. Like this we have to add the numbers in 3 methods. That first one is find the sum, second one is arrange in columns and find the sum, third one is arrange in columns and add it. Now we are going to know about this question, that is fill in the missing numerals. In this question the numbers are given, but in between the numbers there is a blank. Now we have to fill the blanks and compare the answer. Then only we know that the answer is, the written numbers are right or wrong. अब हमें यहाँ देखना है, अब तक हमने देखा कि जो नंबर हमें दिया हुआ है या whatever numbers are given to us, we are simply adding the numbers or making the columns and adding the number. Now we are going to first find out the number which is suitable for the blank. Now here हमें देखना है, first it is given 3, again answer is 1. After 3 1 answer means it is movable to tens, that is above about 10. It means 3, here it is 1, 1 means it is 11, 11 minus 3, we have 8, that we have to write it 8. Now we have to add 3 plus 8, it is 11, 1 carry forward, then here it is 12, 2, here 1 and 6, it is 7, again we have to assume it as 12. 12 minus 6 plus 1, 7, then it is 5, here it comes 5. Now here 1 carry, now here it is 0 and here we have 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 0 means after 5 0 means it is 10, 10 means 10 minus 5, we get 5, here we have to write 5. Now again 1 carry, then 6 plus 1, 7, here it is 9, 9 minus 7, we get 2, the blank, in the blank we have to write 2, then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, it is 9. Now add it, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, it is 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 4, it is 5, 5 plus 5, it is 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, it is 9. Now the fill in the blanks, whatever we return is right, because the answer is same as it is given. Now the second one, to know more about this one, I am doing second question also, that is 1, 3, dash, dash, and second line plus dash, dash, 6, 8. Now answer will be 9, 3, 1, 7. 9, 3, 1, 7. Here above 8 we have blank and answer will be 7. 7 means it is, again we have to assume it as 17 minus, we have to minus the number from the answer, that is 8, we get 9. Here we have to write 9. Then here 1, 9 plus 8, it is 17, carry 1. Now here 1, it is 6 plus 1, it is 7. Again 1 means we have to assume it as 11 minus 7, we get 4. We have to write it as 4. Then here 3. Now 6 plus 4, 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 11, 1 carry. Now 3 plus 1, 4. Here it is given 3. It means more than this number, then it is 13 minus 4, we have 9. It is 9. Now again we get 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1, it is 2. Here it is given 9. So 9 minus 2, we get 7. We have to write it 8 as 7. Like this we must write the numbers in the blanks by minusing or deducting the numbers from the answer, whatever numbers are given in the question. Now I stop this one up to this only. After this I will go for question number 2.3. Tomorrow I will go for 2.3.